So what does IT consulting look like from Optimized IT? Well, let's look at it through the lens of being a client of Optimized IT. So typically outside of our standard work with a client, which would include, the day-to-day managed services that we provide for IT, companies encounter projects, whether that be needing new hardware, new software implementations, helping with a move to a new location, something like that. Those are what we consider consulting projects. And typically what that looks like is Optimized IT will design a solution to optimize your environment and improve your systems. We review those findings with our clients, and then we prioritize and implement them on a timeline that's also acceptable to your budget. As your IT partner and someone who knows your business, we take a comprehensive approach to make sure that we're leveraging the right technologies to give you the best return on investment with the lowest total cost of ownership.